Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to solve this equation because my teachers aren't good at it. So you're gonna want to start. This is the equation that you're going to want to remember. E to K to T. So PO is your initial value. E is just like a variable. It's like a constant number. It already has its own value. Like E has its own value. And then K to the T. So the T is time. The K is I don't know what the fuck K is. But we we look at this problem, we have to find K. Because we don't have K. I don't know how the fuck to explain this shit, but you just gotta bear with me. So we got the initial value we already have. So we already have our initial value. You hear it say it says 1,000 grams. We already have 1,000 grams. And then we have E. We don't have K, so 2K. And then we actually can, we want to find K. So what we're going to do is for T, we're going to put in the half-life of 703. So we'll do like in parentheses 703. That's that number. And then because that's the half-life is like, it would take this many years for it to go down half. And when it would go down half, it would be 500. So basically, we're solving right now for K. This isn't your final equation. So we're basically just saying that when you have this uranium with a half-life of this many years, it's going to be 500. I understand if it doesn't make any sense. It doesn't make much sense to me, but I'm just trying to show you guys the answer. So then we're going to solve for K real quick. So we're going to start off, you divide by 1,000. So you're going to have 1/2 equals E to K, and then this big S number, which I'll just say is T. Then you want to get rid of the E. To get rid of E, you just do ln, which is a natural log. So natural log of E cancels out, so you do natural log of this side. So you're going to have ln equals K, and then parentheses, ln of 0.5, or the half, equals K, this big ass number. What the fuck? Okay. So then, nope, I don't know how to erase. K is going to equal, because you're going to have to divide by that big ass number so you get K by itself. So K is going to equal the ln of 0.5 divided by T, which is 703.8000000. That's what K equals. So now you want to solve for the you want to solve the problem now that you know what K is. So it says the half-life is this. How long will it take me for 20% of 1,000 grams? Blah blah blah. Well, let me fix this equation real quick. Because this is our equation, we already know what the P of T is, and that's going to be 800. We're trying to see how long it takes us to get 800. And I get 800 because 800 is 20% of 1,000 grams. You just do 1,000 grams times 0.8 equals 800, or you do times 0.2 and then subtract that from 1,000. But whatever. So you have 800 equals your initial value, which is 1,000. Then you have E, and then you have your K to the T. We're solving for T because this T is the time, and we don't know how long it takes us to get this 20%. The 20% decayed. We don't know how long it's going to take us to get this 800. So we're solving for t now. And we already know k. So this is basically the equation. I think oh, I thought I could type this. Let me open up Paint real quick. Alright, so you can see that this is the equation we have set up pretty much. So this is the equation we have. 800 equals 1000 E 2, and you want to plug in K now. So K is ln 0.5 divided by 703,800,000. Okay, and then you can see right here it's multiplied by t, so like that. This is your equation. I'll put that in the description. The equation is in the description. So this is your equation now. And you would solve this, you'd get t by itself, and that would tell you how many years it would be, that would tell you how long it would have taken you to get 800. So real quick, we're actually going to solve, we can solve for t. That's what we got to do. It says, include the equation you solved, right here, and your final answer. We have to put our final answer in too. So let's solve for that. So basically, what we want to do is divide by, we want to get t by itself, so we're going to divide by 1000. So we have 8 over 10, because that's 800 divided by 1000, equals e to the ln 0.5 800,000. You should put a double parentheses too, just to show. This is a long ass video. I don't really know how. Oh, I do know how to do it. But I'm like speaking it. I'm explaining it, so I also get a better understanding of how to do it. So you go like that. You see, because we divided the 1000, so we're trying to get t by itself. So we have this. We're gonna do that natural log BS where the natural log cancels out the e, so we do ln of this pretty much. Natural log of e will cancel that out. So now we have the natural log of, I'm gonna simplify the 8 over 10 to 0.8. So you have the natural log of 0.8 is equal to this. We're getting closer. Now, we're going to multiply the 7 million, whatever the heck this is. So that's going to be let me search up scientific calculator. You know what? I don't even understand how to do this, but I'm just going to give you the answer. What the fuck? The answer, after you get t by itself, is going to be 226,572,993. That's how many days it'll take. Thanks for watching my video. I hope it helped. I know it probably didn't. This is like a 10-minute long video. Yeah. Cue the outro.
Head on